Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my sidekicks for another video. So glad you're here. If you're new, I'm Laura. Xena is the brown puppy dog. Here she is. Wyatt is the white puppy dog. He is on bug patrol right now, but I'm sure you will see him at some time during this video. For today, I have a trunk club for you. So excited, as always, every time I get a box to share with you. And Trunk Club is through Nordstrom if you're new to that service. The styling fee, which is $25, is waived if you use your Nordstrom card to sign up. You get 10 styles. They are styled by a stylist team now, which does mean that it goes a bit faster. However, you don't have a single stylist anymore. They do try to meet certain requests, and you can pick some themed trunks now. They also have a lot of variety. So we're talking shoes, coats, intimates, accessories, pretty much anything that you could need that Nordstrom carries, you can get in a trunk club. So it is a great service, and if you use your Nordstrom card, there's no fee. So just keep what you love, send back what you don't. All goes right back in the trunk. Super easy. Let's dig in. So, you also get to preview it, which is nice. So you can preview, you can swap out colors, styles if they're available. They even give you alternate options now, which is new. Here's what I see when I open my box. Everything does come in plastic. And, sorry, hitting the camera more than once. Everything does come in plastic. I think you have 5 days to try everything on. And decide what you want to keep, and then I believe it goes back FedEx now. There is a envelope in here that will have notes from your stylist. I have jewelry in here. I also have shoes, it looks like. Not one pair, but two. Xena wants to leave us. I'm not sure where she's going. Yep. So there is a pamphlet in here that has notes from your stylist, return label, stickers to seal up your trunk, and a pricing sheet. So let me get everything out of the plastic and we're gonna go right through it. Okay, everything is out of the plastic and I have an interesting collection for you. So let's run right through it. First up, I have a pair of earrings by Karen Scott. These are very pretty. I like those. The price is $68 for these. I can see it on the back, so I'm just gonna tell you. $68, and I'm going to confirm on my pricing sheet since I already saw that. Yep, that's the price. Okay, next up is a top by Vince Camuto. Looks like a little side tie wrap top with a little bit of a peplum looking bottom there. The color is very pretty in this. It's white with that little bit of black gray. That's very pretty. Then I have something blue here by CC. Oh, this is cute. Little bit of a fancy ruffly sleeve. I love the blue. That's cute. A fancy t-shirt basically. I like that. Be great for my video calls. Another Vince, this is a Vince Camuto top. Not another, the first one. This also has a ruffly sleeve in this pretty green color. Here's that sleeve. It's like a doubled up, tripled up there, ruffly sleeve with a keyhole back. Okay, then I have some jean shorts by STS Blue that have that little bit of a paper bag waist tie front, side pocket, besom pocket back. It'll give a nice relaxed fit. I have a very colorful dress, very colorful. This is super pretty, but I'm seeing the price tag on it also, and it's super expensive. This is by Farm. Does not have an adjustable strap, so we'll see how that works. I'm not sure that's going to work, and it looks awfully short. Yikes. All right, I'm not sure this is going to work, but we shall see. The colors are very pretty. Has that tiered look to it. Yeah, that'll be interesting. Okay. All right, and then I got a bralette by Nordstrom. I'm not sure what I'm going to try that on with. Or maybe under the Vince Camuto top. Okay, then I also got 2 pair of short shoes. Okay, it's early in the morning. 2 pair of shoes, a Vince Camuto pair that came in the nondescript box with the gold studs, and a pair of Tory Burch Millers, which I love, and check out this pale yellow. It's super cute, but I know they're going to be expensive. The Tory Burch Miller run right around $200. Very, very comfy though. I own 2 pair of these. I generally try to get them whenever I have Nordstrom points. I love these. And my last accessory is a pair of sunnies. These are by BP, I believe. Let's see if I can open these up. Here they are. These are only, I can see the price on these too. These are only $15. Cute. I like them. And that's everything. So let's get right to this try on and see what works. Okay, first outfit. This is such a huge no for me. The only thing I really like about it is the pattern, which I think is absolutely beautiful. But this is way too much fabric, way too short. Doesn't really fit right on top, and kind of a baby doll dress, which is not really my style, but way too young for me in my opinion. It's just way too. Oh my. So wasn't going to show it to you, but here it is. What do you think, Wyatt? Way too, right? Just way too much for me. The pattern is gorgeous though. I really do love the colors. It's such a cheery dress. Just the fit is so off for me. Do love the Tory Burch Millers. Love these. As I said, I have a couple pair. I have them in tan, I have them in silver. I even think I might have a version in a leopard print because I do really like these. They fit wonderfully. So I do love, and I love this pale yellow. That's a great color. They'll go with a lot. And then I also put on the earrings. So here's a closer look at this dress. It does have a little drawstring right here, so this pulls it in and creates a high waist right here, which is adorable. Here's the earrings. Very pretty. All right, this is the dress. I'm done. Let's go do something else. Next outfit. All right, so I've changed everything. I have the Vince Camuto shoes, you can see around Wyatt, on, as well as the STS blue shorts, and then the Vince Camuto top, and the BP sunglasses. Full outfit. Here's a closer look. Okay, so let's start with the top. So this has this fun ruffly sleeve going on. It's a little bit like, it's very blousy. I tucked it in obviously because of the shorts, but I'll show you what it looks like out. But these are paper bag waist shorts, so you're going to want to probably tuck in whatever you wear with it, or wear potentially a top that stops right at the waistband. So I think it's cute. It wants to ride up a little bit on me, but it's not going to get up too close to my neck to be an issue. But I do want to keep pulling it down for some reason. But the color is gorgeous. The sunglasses fit really well, $15. I think that's a great price. I really like them. I love the cat eye. So overall, love the sunglasses as well. The shorts are a great fit around the waist and the tie, but I don't know that they fit right here. They do have the pleat, so that might be throwing me off a bit. So I'm not sure they fit like right here, but they fit well in the waist, and I love that they have the wider leg. What do you think of the fit? Might be the pleat that's throwing me off. And then the shoes actually are hurting me. So they actually hurt in this strap right here across my toes. Other than that, I'm not feeling anything else rub. I like all the strappy detail, but I'm not going to be able to keep these. Okay, and here's what this top looks like out, which I promised you. It has notches on the side, and it's pretty long, right? It's pretty long. All right, and we'll get to the next outfit. Okay, so now I have on this blue t-shirt. I believe it's by CC. It has the fancy little ruffle on the sleeve. It is so soft. I'm kind of in love with it. Might be the color, might be the sleeve, might be the fact that it is super comfortable. Here's a closer look. Of course, I did tuck it in again. Here's a look at this sleeve. Here's another look at the earrings. How cute is this? I like it. Just a nice elevated look for a t-shirt. Left the shoes on for you one more time so you could see them, but they're just not going to work across my toes. And here's what the t-shirt looks like out. Not quite as long as the other top. All right, and we have one more outfit to do. Okay, final outfit. I have on the Vince Camuto top, and I put on the little bralette, which I'll try to show you here in just a minute, but it's a little small, so I'm not going to show you much of it. So there is a modesty snap here on this little Vince Camuto top, which I really appreciate and think is fantastic. Not the right shorts to be putting on, so I wouldn't recommend a paper bag waist bottom whenever you put a top like this on. I think a really pretty knit pant would be perfect, or a skinny pant, or a pretty skirt. All would be fabulous with this top. I'm actually surprised I like this. It's really, really pretty. The pattern is gorgeous. Do you like it, see? I really like it. I'm quite surprised. And it fits really nicely. It's just such a pretty, dressy top, and it drapes nicely. If I didn't have this paper bag waist on, it would drape even better. Gorgeous. All right, so it does have this modesty snap, as I said. So I do have on this bralette, but it's a little small for me, so it's not really gonna work. And I really can't really show you too much more, but it has adjustable straps, but not enough. This size is probably a good size or two too small for me. And I'm not really loving it. It doesn't have a lot of coverage, so it's a no. But this top is gorgeous. It has a little side tie. You can adjust how far over you put it. Does cross over. It is a true wrap. Very, very pretty. All right, that's all the items. Let's do a quick wrap up and talk pricing and see what I'm thinking the keepers are. And then I need you all to weigh in. Okay, so let's do a quick wrap up. What did you think of these pieces? I loved the color. Let me tell you, I thought my stylist team did a great job with color, and I thought there was a great amount of variety. All right, let's see. I'm going to go in order that is on my pricing sheet here. So I have 10 items. First up is the Tory Burch Miller Welt Sandal. So these are $198. That is the typical price for the Tory Burch Miller. If you don't get them on sale. I think this is an awesome color. I don't know if I want to spend $198 right now, but I do love the sandal and I do love the color. Let me know what you think. I don't think I've seen this color before, now that I'm thinking about it. I do really like them. All right, there may be, but I don't think so, probably. Next is the double ruffle slub jersey tee by CC. So that was this blue top. I actually did really like this. This is $49. Love the color, love the feel of the fabric. I thought this looked really cute on. I actually really like the sleeve as well. So that one's also a maybe. Next is the Sassetti Strappy Sandal by Vince Camuto in brown. These are $88.95. These are a no for me. They were not comfortable. Then we have the Women's Crop Tank by Madewell. In white. And I have no idea what that is. the women's crop tank by Madewell, and I don't think I got that. Interesting. I have 10 items here, but I don't think I have anything here from Madewell. All right, well, let's keep going. Next is the tiered sleeve blouse by Vince Camuto. That would be this one. I thought this was cute, but it was a lot of fabric. I'm leaning towards no. I'd rather get the blue one. And the price of this one is $41.40, so it must be on sale. Then I have the Floral Beauty Wrap front sleeve blouse by Vince Camuto. This one I liked. This one is $47.40. Oh, look at the price tag. Yeah, $79 is normal price. It's also on sale. And this one I did like. Of course, I don't have it tied anymore for you, but you remember what it looked like. I liked this one, and this one's a maybe for me. Then we have the cat eye sunglasses by BP. These are only $15, and I did like these. So there are maybe. We have the paper bag waist pleated denim short by STS Blue. These are $49. I thought these were nice, but for some reason I felt the fit was off for me. Then we have the Cashew Juice tiered mini dress by Farm Rio, $160. Love, love, love the colors in this, but totally did not like the fit on me. So this is a no. And this was the most expensive item in the box, $160. So then we have the Demi Convertible Drop Huggy Hoop Earrings by Kendra Scott for $68. And I don't know. I think that considering the other jewelry that I have, I'm probably going to pass on these, but I did like them. So that leaves this, must be, and this is Nordstrom brand. It is not Madewell. So this must be the crop tank. It says $24.50. The price that I'm seeing says $29, so I think they must have put this one in instead. And this one did not fit me, so I'm not going to keep this. The fabric is really nice, though. All right, and that is all of my items. What did you think? I have some possibilities. I will list all these items down below in case you want to check any of them out on the Nordstrom site or request any of them from your stylist. And I would love for you to weigh in. So right now, the items I'm thinking about keeping are the sunglasses, this pretty blue top. I know, the Miller sandal, but I'm thinking probably not because it's just too much right now with it being the end of summer. And I think that's it for right now. Oh, and the Vince Camuto blouse, because I thought this was really pretty and I could wear this under jackets going into fall. This one too. So these three. All right. That's a wrap. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I will put my link to Trunk Club down below. If you want to give Trunk Club a try and use my link, you will get $50 off your first box. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Would love to hang out for long haul and hit that subscribe. And until next time, bye everybody.